action.
Hey YouTube, what's going on guys? It's the first intro to my YouTube channel. Sitting here with my 1986 Suzuki Samurai. Figured we'd do a little walk around and kind of show you what's in it, what's done to it, and what I've done to it. So first off, well, I'll start up here. We got this 20-inch LED light bar. Put it on there because these factory headlights just don't do the job. I mean, they work, but it's pretty much to get you from point A to point B on the road. I put different headlights in it. They don't seem to work very well either. So instead of changing out all the lights, I figured I'd just throw a light bar on there. It seems to do the job. So we got these factory tow bar in the front where you put your tow thing for RV. Well, I wanted a big enough shackle in case I was pulling a bigger rig out or someone was yanking on me. So we got these big shackles made by Badlands. It's not a bad little setup. You can use it to hook to rope, chain, anything. The bumper's off-road. It's kind of a brush guard rock bumper. It's nice. It gives you the tire clearance when you're approach angle and stuff like that. If you come up here real quick, I want to show you this. So in a lot of these light bars, I have a problem getting them to mount straight and without vibrating at night. So I put this bolt in here. And what it does, I can tighten or loosen it so it can hold this light bar at whatever angle I want tight. That seemed to be a big improvement for people who want to tighten theirs up. Other than that, she's bone stock, has a little header, but the motor needs redone. We'll probably do that here in a few months. Give you a good update on that when I go ahead and do that. So I come over to the tires here. They're just some Bighorn Maxxis. Got manual locking hubs. It's got hybrid axles. It's just a 31 10 50 15 on an aluminum rim, 8-inch wide rim. They seem to work really well. We got the rock slider on both sides. The diamond plate, I really like that. The rock sliders are definitely heavy duty. Good improvement overall. I just had the search and rescue sticker put on because my dad and my sister, they drive Toyotas and Jeeps, so I wanted to make fun if I put search and rescue on it. I won't have to pull them out. So we'll look on the inside here. Not bad, needs cleaned up. I just put this top on it not too long ago. It's dirty right now because of the dust, but it's got some custom door liners in it. Nothing special. It helps for like water and stuff. It's easy to wipe up. It's clean. It looks decent. We got the CV in it. Some seats out of like a Ford Focus in it, which are actually super comfortable. I mean, comfort's key, right? Other than that, pretty much bone stock. Down here in the center, we got a custom built diamond plate box. We have switches on the box. This first switch right here, that'd be for our compressor to turn on when the key's on. Oh, actually here. Turn the key on. That's our compressor under the hood for the ARB lockers, and then you got your front and rear stick shift, CD player. I mean, it's plain Jane. It needs cleaned. It's filthy in here, but other than that, I mean, it's all here. Every little knob and switch in the dash is here. I was really shocked. Everything seems to work really well. So that's pretty much all it is on the inside. Nothing crazy. So come back here. It's one of the coolest things I really like about it. I'm going to build me a little support down the road for this bumper, because right now it's mounted on the bottom of the bumper, so when I push down on this, it's got a little bit of play. So I'm going to definitely improve that so I can haul my deer. But this is a homemade rack. My grandpa built it 13 years ago, and it just keeps using it for every little rig we get. Spare tires, factory mount, 31 on here, which is kind of surprising. The guy I got it from put an extension on it so the tire doesn't rub on the back of the tailgate, which I do like that. There's LED lights inside every single thing on this thing except for the headlights. Everything's LED. More efficient because these don't have very big batteries, tiny alternators. So LED is the way to go if you want a lot of light. I mean, that's pretty much it about this thing. I mean, it's going to be a work in progress. Right now my air lockers are leaking, so I definitely am going to redo the air lines. That'll be down in winter when we start going in the snow, because we do a lot of snow wheeling. If you want to give them a little sneak peek of the rig behind us, we just got this. This is my woman's rig. It's the 2014 Tacoma TRD. It's got a little bit done to it, but we're gonna veer away from that, because you can't just give them what they want in the first video. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I have one other thing I forgot. The CD mounts right behind my wheel. I have the antenna off because it was loose, and when I put the top on, I just have to put it back on, because with it on, it's not waterproof. So I'm leaving it off until I go wheeling. I mean, is there anything you think I'm missing on this that I should tell everyone?
I don't think so.
I mean, like I said, it's pretty much bone stock. I think we should pop the hood real quick, just to show them the compressor and stuff. The glove box is where the trunk popper is on these. It's a little weird. I kind of like it. It's kind of out of sight, out of mind. Oh, there's something I forgot to tell them. See this here? It's got the delete locks on it. It has no locks. I don't see a point in having a lock when you can open this right here and just walk in it, you know. So let's show it. So it's got a little Weber on it. Look at how old that motor is. It's original, nothing done to this ever. This is how it came factory. Right here is the air compressor for our ARB lockers. Airline's already ran. It's been in here for probably 5 to 7 years at least, so the airline needs redone. So we'll get that redone. Maybe towards the end of winter, we'll have a new motor in here, and then we'll really be able to take it out and truly test it. But as it sits right now, this thing will go just about anywhere you need it to go, and it'll go places you shouldn't. But I mean, we've already tested a little bit. And we'll give you some examples down the road here real soon. Because I live in Oregon, so here in Oregon, hunt season is right around the corner. So we're going to hunt all morning, evening, go home, and then we'll upload for you guys. I'm going to try to do one video a week. That's my goal right now. This first video is going to be a little bit short. It's hot out here. I just don't have much I can do with fire season. The fire's going on, so I figured I'd give you guys something to look forward to. So, like I said, this is my 86 Suzuki Samurai. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe.